Gold, as expected and discussed, dropped. First of all, it dropped towards 2010 levels. 2010, certainly, as I recommended and discussed, that 2010 2020 is going to be an extremely good support zone. Precisely achieving 2010, it is now trying to. Now, can we say that the bulls are back? Can we buy from here? What should be our safe trading strategy today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. What that is. Let's start. And yes, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. And your every like, share and comment is a great motivation for me. Let's look at hourly charts for gold now. Now, see the behavior of gold, the rise, the retracement. Then, I mean to say, the drop, the retracement, then a drop, then a retracement. And here, the divergence of the price from the moving average, it has converged towards the 20 period moving average. This is the first observation. And if you notice here, see here one rise is done, and we can look forward to this zone here at 28.32. That should be a greater resistance zone. If you see any point of time gold is staying above 2035, that will be confirmation of further bullishness, and above 2040 is the reversal confirmation. Yes, above 28.32, first of all, this is still under retracement. About in between 32.35, that is a bullish tendency, which is, or the buyers are pitching in, and above 40, that is a reversal. Beyond this, certainly we can say that gold is ready to fly. Now look at hourly charts here. What it has done, it has created the support at 2020, 2018, 2017 zone. With that as support, we have seen, see 3 to 4 candles forming the base here. It is trying to rise, and this could take it further highs. I will wait for 2026 first targets, then 28.32 as the next resistance, staying above which certainly you can say that the bulls are. Now look at a stochastic. This is entering into overbought zone, while MACD has crossed over at bottom, trying to trade with little divergence and trying to trade with little bullishness. RSI rising, coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, drop retracement, creating lower highs, lower lows. Now notice this is the larger channel in which gold is trying to trade here, where the top of the channel at around 2035 levels and a breakout levels are at 2040. Now also observe on the 2 hour charts, moving averages have crossed over here. This is certainly a bearish sign, and this is also a greater resistance zone at 2030, then 2040. Yes, this is the zone it needs to break out such that it can stay bullish. Stochastic is rising here. MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover. RSI flat. On the 3 hour chart, look at 3 hour chart. See, always I notice the gradient here. See, the drop is sharp, the rise is gradual with a smaller body size. 20 and 50 period moving average is crossing over here at 2035. And see, these 4 candles precisely formed a greater resistance here at 2035, and with that we have seen this drop here. And that is why I say this is the zone where we are going to see maximum resistance for gold if it continues to rise from here. Second is, see here also, this zone you can notice here, 2017 2016 zone, greater support, and then higher highs are observed here. So possibly with the support at 2017, that is the only level below which we can say that gold might try to trade bearish again. So yes, a selling entry at 2017 can be seen. Stochastic is rising here, MACD is converging here, RSI is almost flat here. Coming to 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour charts, next couple of candles will decide the fate of gold, because see, if it continues to stay bullish, continues to give a breakout, we can look forward to, see, first of all, right now it is still not a recovery, because see, it has to grow vertically in order to confirm a reversal here. And on the upside, first resistance zone is at 28.32, and then 35, and then 40. So this complete zone between 2030 and 2040 is you should watch out for. Beyond 2040 is a reversal, and it is going to rally. This is again clear. The stochastic rising here, the MACD is bearish trying to converge. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily. Before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28th batch is announced. You can be part of it. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, this Sunday we have a free webinar where we are going to discuss what we can expect from the markets in the coming week. The coming week is important. We have FOMC, and this webinar is going to be equally important. I have shared in my community the link on YouTube channel. There is a communities tab where I have shared the link for you to register for the webinar. This is a free webinar. Do not miss this opportunity. Also, you can be part of my mentorship batch and signals channel. Again, reach contact me for more details. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, prices are too much divergent from the 20 period moving average. Finally, it has found its resting place. It has come down towards the 20 period moving average and now precisely taking the support from the 20 period moving average here. With the support, it is trying to rise now. Also, if you noticed, the bearishness getting diminished here. In any case, this was an extremely bearish candle, and then we can see the bearishness getting diminished, taking the support from 20 period. Now see, it has started on a flat note, trying to rise. First I will observe how it behaves at around 2030, 2032, and then 35 and 40. These zone is going to play an important role in deciding the future of gold. If it stays above 2040, you can say that we are looking forward to a reversal and gold is bound to stay bullish towards 2050, 2060 zone again. At the same time, so these are going to be our buying levels here. Yes, you can buy here at 2026 levels, but with a caution note that 2028-32 is the zone. It will find its resistance here. Beyond 28-32 is where we can see the bulls will take over, and it appears that 28-32 is an achievable levels today. And on the downside, I will recommend you, before we look into the selling positions, see, stock stick has dropped to the oversold levels. MACD here is on the verge of a crossover for sell. So 1 point, and this crossover is coming at a higher level. So remember, it can take it towards downside. Double top is done. Also remember one fact here. This is the higher levels from where we have seen the reversals last couple of occasions and more, and it is again showing a crossover. So this can bring bearishness in gold for a little near future. RSI has dropped vertically. Thus, looking at this, first of all, we are looking forward to a retracement, not a reversal. As long as 2040 is not taken, we are considering this as a retracement, and it can continue to retrace towards 28-32 zone. In fact, 35 and 40 can be expected, and beyond 2040, if you see gold, then you can say it is reversing and it is going to fly high. Next targets are 2050, 2 and 2060. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 2017 levels. Below 2017, 2014, 2010. Remember, on the daily charts, 2010 good support and 2000 is the next support levels. Yes, if you see it is staying below 2000, that is the time where bears will take over. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Join the webinar this week. Definitely it will add many meaning to your next week's trading decisions. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US.